Hey everyone, Rhett Price here. Going to show you a new feature in version 14. It has to do with the way emails are set up in a system-wide basis. So I'm going to go to Profile Manager and I'm going to say Set up Full Client Global Preferences. And this is where you can set pretty much any preference in the system on a global system-wide manner. So it's really nice for administrators who want to set up specific features for all users. And so in this particular case, this feature has to do with email settings. You'll see here in the email settings section, you can set up different types of email, extended MAPI, SMTP, a testing mode, or you can send email from email server using IndySoft services. So this is all great. And before, what you could do is you would set this up as a system admin. It's very common to say, for example, set up SMTP, set up all your server information, and then set that up to be system-wide. And what that does is that locks it down so users cannot change that. What we found, though, were some customers wanted to be able to change the email from here on a per-user basis. So before this locked everything down, and so now if you are setting up your user location settings for email, you will not be able to change this in this case, but you would be able to change your email from. And so you can type that in and then use that on a per user basis. So you're no longer constrained to simply do everything in this entire section system-wide. All right, thanks.